In this video, we will learn how to use mid function in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some contact details and I'm going to find out the phone number by using the mid function. So here the phone number is a 011 dash then 3234 and 3. So I'm using here the mid function just is equal to mid tab. Then select the full text. This is the first cell of contact details. Then comma start number. So here I want this number 011. 0 start number is here the phone is a 5, then space is a 6. You can see 1, 2, 3 word, 4 word, 5, and space is a 6 and 0 is a 7. The 7 number of 0. Then up to which number you want the phone number. So 0 is the first 2, 3, then dash 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So up to 9 numbers we want, then comma 9 and just bracket close and just enter. That's it. Here you can see you get here the phone number by using the mid function. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.